Hello friends, welcome to btechguru.com's series on reasoning, and the topic for today is dot situation. Okay, now you must remember in childhood you used to solve puzzles where you had to connect the dots. So similarly here also we have to place the dots. Okay, so these kind of questions are very easy to solve, and it's a lot of fun, okay, because you have one dot or two dots or three dots, and you have to find the appropriate place where you can fit that dot. So if you look at your screen, there's a question which says select the figure which satisfies the same conditions of placement of the dot as in figure X. Okay, so the conditions have to be same. So just keep looking at your screen. So you will see that there are three figures. One is a circle, one is a triangle, and the third figure is a rectangle. And that is true for all the 5 diagrams. Okay, each figure has a circle, a triangle, and a rectangle. Now pay close attention to the positioning of the dot in the first figure. You will observe that the dot is placed in the region which is covered by the square and the triangle, and it doesn't cover the region of the circle. So in which square will I find such conditions? If you take square 1, do I have any area which is covered by the rectangle and the triangle and not covered by the circle? Yes, of course I do. So I can put the dot over there. In the second figure, if you see, there is no such area which is covered by the rectangle and the triangle where the circle is not present. So I can't place it in the second figure. Similarly, in the third figure, there is no overlap at all between the triangle and the rectangle. The circle is the connecting figure. And in the fourth one also, there is no such area where the circle is not present and the square and the rectangle are present. So let me quickly draw this figure 1. So in figure 1, you have a circle and you have a square and you have a triangle. Okay, this is the figure. So there is some area which is covered by the square and the triangle, and it doesn't involve the circle. So I can place my dot over here and it satisfies those conditions. Okay, so I will go ahead and I will select option 1 as my answer choice. So it's very easy and a lot of fun to solve, because you have to place this dot and you have to satisfy the conditions that are given to you in the question. Okay, so we'll have a second part of this video where I'll be taking up a couple of more examples with you, and we'll make it slightly more interesting by increasing the number of dots. Okay, so do join me in the second part of this video on dot situation. I'll see you on the other side.